Masha coloring drawing. Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw and color Mickey Mouse and his friends.
The mouse ran
Mickey
up
Mouse,
the clock.
Pluto, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, and Goofy. I start to draw Mickey Mouse. First his eyes, his nose. I draw him a smiling mouth and the rest of his head with his two big rounded ears. Then the shape of his face. Striped Mickey Mouse. Eyes and nose and shape of your face.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock.
Look, she is smiling.
Free.
She has a cute bow onto the top of her head.
Hickory dickory dock, tick.
Let's continue with Pluto. His eyes and his head.
Hickory dickory
Nose
dock,
and his mouth
the
open
bear
and
sat
his
by
two
the
ears.
clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Donald Duck. His eyes and his face with his beak
Hickory
wide
dickory
open.
dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Look, he has a nice hat. Next to him I'm going to draw Daisy Duck. I start with her
Hickory
eyes.
dickory dock,
Her
the
beak
hen
wide
pecked at
open.
the clock. The clock struck six. Oh, little six. Hickory dickory dock, tick
Here is the bow onto the top of her head.
Hickory dickory dock,
Look,
tick tock.
Goofy is here.
Hickory
His
dickory
eyes.
dock, tick
His
tock.
mouth and nose and his two teeth and ears here. Finally his hat onto the top of his head.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one.
For more video, please subscribe my channel.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Let's paint them together.
Hickory
Mickey Mouse
dickory dock,
first.
the bird looked
Pink
at
for
the
his
clock.
face.
The clock struck two. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock.
Minnie
The
Mouse.
clock struck three.
Red.
Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Pink for her face too.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Yellow.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Pink.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six. Oh, little six. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick
Pink
tock.
again.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory
Orange.
tick tock, tick tock.
Yellow. Orange.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Green. See you on next video.